Hey guys, welcome to Atita Fitness. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Today I have something to share with you guys. I have been having trouble with my laptop. So the laptop that I use to edit my videos, it takes a long time before I can even upload a video. It takes hours. I can tell you it takes up to 4 hours. So I've been thinking about upgrading to a new laptop, something that's going to help me with editing and even uploading videos to YouTube. So today I'm going to sell my laptop at Best Buy so that I can see if I can find a laptop that I'm going to use. So guys, I'm taking you with me so that we can get one laptop together and see if they can buy my laptop. Let's go. I went to Facebook Marketplace. I could find really nice laptops and they're cheaper than compared when you buy them new. I was like, there's something which doesn't sit with me right when it comes to buying something online, especially second-hand stuff. So I considered my options, I weighed my options, and I was like, no, let me go buy a new laptop just in case if it has issues or anything, I can always take it back. I've seen people buy things online and they end up having issues. So I can advise someone when it comes to laptops and phones, just go buy a new phone. Don't buy things online, especially those two that I've mentioned. Guys, we are here.
요즘 내 일기가 재미없어진 이유를 찾았어. I've been wasting all this time finding words to let go. Cause I'm looking for Neverland, backtracking on memory lanes, hoping it's not just a wonder. I can't be watching, waiting for changes, wondering for the right time. Cause I noticed we came to a pavement that crumbles. It's just a merry-go-round. I don't think it's you, might be me. There's just so many things going on. But when I'm with you, it feels so new. Cause I'm on a secret, I'm all alone falling. Enough and not with you. Tell me why it's so hard to choose. Going in circles, running round.
Guys, they accepted that I'm going to do a trade-in with my laptop. So let's see how much they're going to give me. Because you know what? I bought this laptop around $500. And the one that I'm buying, it's $1,000. So let's see if they can give me even 200.
Pavement that crumbles, it's just a merry-go-round. I don't think it's you, might be me. There's just so many things going on. But when I'm with you, it feels so new. Cause I'm on a secret, I'm all alone falling. I've been off and on with you. Tell me why it's so hard to choose. Going in circles, running round. Cause I'm looking for Neverland, backtracking on memory lanes, hoping it's not just a wonder. I can't be watching, waiting for changes, wondering for the right time. Cause I noticed we came to a pavement that crumbles. It's just a merry-go-round. I don't think it's you, might be me. There's just so many things going on. But when I'm with you, it feels so new. Cause I'm on a secret, I'm all alone. I don't think it's you, might be me.
Hey guys, I ended up buying the laptop. It's right here. So the one thing about mine, they wanted to give me $100 only. I was like, no, I will just take it home. So guys, Best Buy is not the best place to come and try to sell your laptop. And I feel like always when you try to sell something, you don't get value out of it. I bought this laptop 2 years ago, 500 and something dollars. So after 2 years, I don't think it will lose value. But I know like America technology grows way fast, and I don't understand why they try to value things that cheap. I am glad I bought the laptop. I bought the M3 and I got some storage. I also got a small discount out of it. So I'm so happy with my past purchase. And I am going to make the best out of it. Now I am rushing to work and I have 15 minutes to get to work. I think it's only like 10 minutes away. Let's see if I will make it there.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need.
Hey guys, it's your guy Atito Fitness. So today I want you guys to spend the whole day with me. It's a Sunday. I'm from church. I'm going home right now. We had great teachings, like really good, so motivating about life, about following Jesus. And I want you guys to spend the whole day with me. I bought the laptop which I needed like the most, especially with editing. For those guys who edit the videos for themselves, who film themselves and do the whole thing, I salute you guys. You guys are amazing. I know it takes so much work. So today I'm so excited to go use my laptop for the first time. The laptop that I had before, it was taking a long time before I can upload a video to YouTube. Even the editing itself, it was taking like a long time. So I'm very excited. The one that I have right now, it has a RAM of 16 gigabytes, which is very fast. It's an M3 MacBook Air. So that's really good. The one that I was using before, it has an 8 GB RAM and storage, which was almost like a lot, but it was very slow. So this one, I think the speed is fast, and I'm going to make more videos for you guys. So if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to Atito Fitness and spend a Sunday with me. So here are the things that we are going to do. I'm going home to make a protein shake with some greens and all that. I don't get a chance to eat more greens on my meals, so I'm always intentional with eating more greens and making sure that I get my protein. And then we are going to the car wash. I'm going to take you guys to the car washes here, one of the best car wash. Then from there, I'm taking you guys to Ashland Tea Press. I'm in the coffee shop and I get my tea. It's a coffee shop, but they make the best tea. And then edit my video. So I'm going to edit this video and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I'm also looking forward to go live very soon. I will see if I have more time on Tuesday so that I can give you guys more updates about the new changes, the few changes that I'm going to make with content creation. and also updates about my life. So guys, please keep it here, subscribe if you're new, share with your friends, and let's go 5K guys soon. Today I'm going to give a shout out to God is Love. You are amazing. Thank you for what you're doing, for commenting on my videos, sharing my videos. Gertrude, and we have Nick, amazing. Puri, I don't know where you are. Please next time comment so that I can know where you guys are. So thank you so much for doing what you do, guys. You are the ones who motivate me and make me feel that I have a community that is supporting me outside there. So you guys are amazing.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now.
So guys, I'm going to comment about driving in America, my experience in the past 3 years that I've been driving here. So first thing, honking your car is considered aggressive or being rude. So people don't honk their cars, especially here where I live, here in Medford. I know I went to Washington recently, and I think like I had people honking their cars, but here people don't honk their cars. If you honk on someone, it's kind of considered rude or like you're being aggressive.
Hello there, how's your day going?
Good, how are you, bro?
Doing pretty good. Have you been still interested in the membership?
Oh man, I'm still thinking about the membership. I'm not sure.
It's just the same price.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah?
I'm still thinking about it. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
What do you like?
I think let's see. What's the difference between the Happy Wash and the Great Wash?
The happy one comes with ceramic and wax
Okay.
and undercarriage.
Oh, I see. Okay. Let's do that. Yep. Let's go for
You
it.
happy?
Yeah.
Alright. $20.
Okay, just a second. Can I tap?
Yes.
Okay.
Try that. I can hold it for you.
Thank
Here
you.
you go. And here you go.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too, bro. Maybe next time I'll keep thinking about it.
I'll try to convince you.
Okay, bro. This guy comes to the gym where I work, so he has been convincing me to get a membership to pay the monthly, which I know like it's kind of cheaper to bring my car, but yeah.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now.
Guys, look at how this car wash is. It's really nice. I love it. So they spray, I don't know what they're spraying, but I think for shining your grass. So here we go, and I'm going to take the sunroof off so that you guys can see. Happy's, come here guys, try this car wash. I like it. My car is making some sounds because it has sensors here at the front, so it kind of feels like maybe there's someone standing at the front. So guys, that's why it's making all those sounds. These are the protective feature, which like just in case if there's someone behind or in front of you, it makes this sound. So see guys. Guys, I came from where it takes someone 20 minutes to wash their cars. So being able to wash your car for only like 2 minutes is amazing. Almost done. And how clean the car is now. So it's saying for me to wait, and remember my car is at on neutral, so once it turns green I'm going to drive. See, nice, drive, and then I'm going to take it to where I can vacuum and maybe wipe the car. So you can see most of the people bring their cars here to wipe them down and the clean, shine, and all those things. See, here's the difference with what I'm used to. This kind of machines in Kenya, they cost more. They're more expensive than someone washing your car. If you go to the car wash and you let someone wash your car, it's cheaper than taking your car to the machines. I think they cost probably like $20, which is probably like 2,500 Kenyan shillings. But here, for someone to wash your car, it will go up to like $70, which is up to 8,000 Kenyan shillings. So that's a big difference. And yeah, the car is clean now. I'm going to vacuum and shine it myself. If you let someone do that for you, it's more expensive. But other sides, I know like some places here in America are different. Leave a comment from where you are. Is the car wash, is the drive-through car wash more expensive than someone washing your car, or is it vice versa? Let me know.
Wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the
America is all about the services, guys. So I wanted to do my gas for myself. I know some states here you have to pump your own gas, but in Oregon they can help us, like, you know, pump the gas. But again, sometimes you can do it for yourself. I wanted to do it for myself, but again I saw a landing from the other side to come and help me, and she gave me a water for free. So services, let's go. Ashland, see you soon.